My name is Robin, I'm 23 years old. I live in Belgium, but Finland is where I feel at home with my family. Until now, I've mainly been focusing on sports, which I love, and on school, which I really hate. But traveling to new places and filming with my GoPro has always been my favorite thing to do. I never really imagined that this could become my job. But last year, my vision about life changed completely. When I discovered travel filmmakers on YouTube, I immediately realized that was exactly what I wanted to do. Travel the world with other like-minded creators and hopefully inspire others and make a difference in the world. Most people around me think that what I'm trying to achieve is unrealistic, but I know deep down that I was made to create. So I've decided to live my dreams. The Koldercreative course has allowed me to get to the next level as a creator. My favorite part of the course has to be the weekly live calls and the community Sam has put together. Couldn't be more excited for what the future has to offer.